Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to draw an awesome picture of some very long-legged birds. I hope that you will have so much fun drawing this picture with me. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw some circles. Our circles are going to be spread in a varying line across the middle of our paper. Vary means to change. So we're going to change each one of these circles a little bit different each time we draw it. Some will be a little bigger, some will be a little smaller. Some will be higher and some will be lower. So we're going to draw the first one. I'm going to take my black crayon and I'm going to draw the first circle right about there. You can put yours wherever you want. We're going to make a line, and I would like to make a line of 7 circles. I'm going to make a second circle right about there. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'll make a little one right there. Okay, we are going to turn these cute circles into birds. The first one, we're going to draw legs like a number 11 coming down from each circle. The number 11 has 2 straight lines, and we're going to draw those 2 straight lines coming straight down. Now, what if I have a circle where this line is going to run into my circle? I'm going to stop and I'm going to pretend the line goes behind it. I'm going to draw the next line straight down. See if you can do that. If you make a mistake, it's okay. We all make mistakes and no drawing has to be perfect. It does not have to look exactly like mine. In fact, these are going to be really long legs. Really long legs. Wow. Okay, now I'm ready to put little birdie toes on these legs. And I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 tiny toes on each of the bird's feet. Now, if I want the bird to look that way, I can draw the feet that way. If I want the bird to look that way, I can draw the toes that way. But you're going to put 3 toes on each foot. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3. Next one. 1, 2, 3. Now this is a little bird. I'm going to try to make little toes. 1, 2, 3. Those are little. 1, 2, 3. Those are tiny toes. And these I will make medium toes. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see I have 7 circles that we're going to turn into birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, before we do anything else, I am going to color these birds. Now we're going to have to get some crayons out. Our crayons are going to be in the order of the rainbow. First, I have the color red. Then I have orange. After orange comes yellow. After yellow comes green. Then I have 2 blues, a light blue and a dark blue called indigo. Can you say indigo? Indigo. It is a dark blue. And then I have purple. And another word for purple is violet. Can you say violet? Violet. Okay, we're going to color the first circle red. Color it with me. Oh, that looks so nice. I really love red. Red is a really, really bright color. It really stands out and it really is bold. Now this project, it may remind you of the project we did with the rainbow garden, because guess what? We're doing rainbow birds. So you can see we're doing the rainbow again. What color am I using next? Orange. Orange comes after red in the rainbow. I'm going to color it in. If I'm going too fast, you can pause my video and you can finish coloring your circles. I'm going to go on to yellow. The next circle is yellow. And guess what? Orange is right between red and yellow. What does red and yellow make? When you combine it together, it makes orange. Excellent. Next, my next circle is going to be green. Let's color it green. Ooh, I like this color green. This is a bright green. I like it a lot. It is very pretty. A nice color. Next we have blue. And when we combine blue plus yellow, what do we get? If we put blue and yellow together, we get green. Yes, blue and yellow makes green. Now I'm going to use the tricky color. This is a dark blue. Remember what I called it before? Who knows what it's called? Indigo. Indigo is a dark blue. I love the color indigo. It is dark and rich and just a beautiful color, don't you think? It almost looks a little bit like my next color, which is violet. Violet is another word, a fancy word for purple. And there we have it. There is my purple. So I have 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I am going to put some details on these little birds. The first thing I'm going to put on my bird is I'm going to put some eyes. Let's put 2 eyes on the first bird, and let's make a tiny triangle for this birdie's beak. Triangle. That looks so cute. And let's make a wing on either side. You can make your own shaped wings. Excellent. All right, this bird, I'm going to have this bird looking to the side. So I'm going to draw it from the side. And when someone looks to the side, you only see one eye. So I'm going to draw one eye, and I'm going to draw a triangle beak to the side. Isn't that cute? And then I'm going to draw a little triangle wing. Ta-da! I'm going to do this one. Which way should he look? Let's have him look straight forward. One eye, 2 eyes. Let's have that beak be a triangle up and down. Oh, that is so cute. And let's have his wings be little triangles to the side. Maybe he's getting ready to fly. Awesome. Now I'm going to have my next guy. He is going to be looking up. I'm going to have him draw to the side. So I have one eye, and his nose, his beak is going to point up. Maybe he's looking at the clouds. And I'm going to draw a little wing. That is so cute. And I'm going to have this guy looking up at that guy. He's going to look up at my indigo bird. And let's have the indigo bird look down at little bluebird. Now they both need wings. Let's draw some wings on them. Oh, that is so cute. And then I have this last little bird. We can have him looking over at the green bird. Little beak, little eye. It's harder to see because that is a very dark color purple, but I love it. I love it. Remember the other word for purple? Violet. Now if my beak is going to the side, I can then color that yellow or orange you can decide. I'm going to color those little beaks. Color them in. Oh, that is so cute. Now I have wings hanging off the side. I can color those. And color that red, just a tiny little speck of red. This one needs some orange. That's not orange, that is yellow. Yay! Oh, that looks so cute. Now I'm going to draw the background. These birds are all hanging out, having a good time, and I'm going to draw a line that goes across. This is the land. So this is where they're standing on, and this is the sky. It's called the horizon line. The horizon line is just basically shows me where the land meets the sky, okay? So what we're going to do is we could draw some clouds in the sky. Clouds are just have nice bumpy lines, round bumpy lines. You can make your clouds big or small. You can make them have any shape you want. That's why I love drawing clouds. So fun because you can just draw them any shape you want. I'm going to draw one more cloud. Maybe this guy's hanging off the side of the page. Just boop, it goes there. It's over there somewhere. That is so fun. Oh, I love it. Okay, on the top of the picture, I can keep on coloring. If you want to keep coloring, you can keep on going. I'm going to color it blue. I'm going to find a light color blue so that I can color the sky. That is always fun to do. I'm going to color it lightly. You can color around your clouds so that your clouds stay white because they're fluffy clouds. Oh, that is fun. If I color too fast for you, you can always slow it down and make your own creative art, your own speed. You don't have to color my speed. I'm going to color around. And that is really good practice for coloring, is coloring around your lines. If you color right over your black lines, you might find that they smear a little, but that's okay. And I'm going to color the whole sky. You can also show swirling wind in your sky by having little swirls, which are fun to draw. Maybe there's swirling wind. And I'm going to keep on coloring. Ooh, very fun. I like that. Coloring all around the different birds. You know, in the Bible, God says, do not worry. He tells us all not to worry, and that every problem we have, we should take it to Him in prayer. And what is prayer? Prayer is talking to God. That's all. Just talking to God. And if I have a worry, I can say to God, God, I'm worried. Can you help me not be worried? Can you take care of this, God? And guess what? He hears you. He does take care of it for us because He loves us and He wants to protect us. So, when you pray to God about your worries, you can know that He hears your prayer. And you know what's even awesomer is when two people pray together. The Lord just loves that. So what does that have to do with birds, Mrs. Cook? Well, what it has to do with birds is in the Bible, it says to not worry because God feeds the birds. He knows all about the birds. He says not even one will fall to the ground without me knowing it. And so that shows us that God knows all about us too. Because if He knows about the birds, He certainly knows about you, His children. And so the Bible also says, don't worry about what you eat, because I feed the birds. And don't worry about what you wear, because I clothe the lilies of the field, the flowers. Isn't that cool? I love God, and I love that He gives us so much hope in His Word. What is His Word called? The Bible. God's Word is called the Bible. And in the Bible, He gives us so much hope. So when sad things happen, we know we can always turn to God because He is the God of love and hope. And He will always, always bring you peace. I love that. Wow, my hand's getting tired. If your hand's getting tired, you can take breaks. You don't have to color the whole sky blue. Just do the best you can. I want you to have fun with this and not have a hard time. I want you to enjoy it. So if you're done coloring for now, take a little bit of a break. I want to color the rest of my sky. And I just think that these little birds are reminding me not to worry about anything, but to trust in God because He loves us. And I added some wind. I'm going to add a little bit more wind over here. And I think that looks so cool. And you can sign your name at the bottom if you'd like, because that's what artists do. If you want to do even more, you can make it green all along the ground. But I think I'm done with mine for now. And I just love it. And here it is in fast motion. I always love watching art done in fast motion. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great day.